Hi everyone, I'm just popping on today to tell you about my calendar kit that's going to be available just for a few days. Now the day that you see this video I think will be the 30th of December, and I know that this is late, but one thing and another with Christmas and having a new puppy and everything in the house, things just got away from me. So if you're interested in this calendar kit, you need to contact me via the contact page on my website, which is here, www.applelover53.co.uk. And there will be an accompanying blog post, which I will try and do some kind of registration form with, if at all possible. Go to the Stampin' Up tab and look for the class tab, and hopefully the information will be there by the time you see this video. The registration for this and payment for this is only going to be open for a few days, because obviously with it being a calendar, I need to be able to order all the product, get it delivered to me, and then cut everything and send it all out to you. So as I say, this video should go up on Thursday the 30th of December, and it's going to close on Monday at midnight, the 3rd of January 2022. I will then invoice everybody, and once you've paid, and you need to pay straight away, I will then order everything. If you don't pay straight away, I will invoice you on the 4th of January, and if you don't pay straight away, I won't be able to order the product. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you get. So you're not going to get any stamped images at all. So if I've used any stamps, and I have used a few different stamp sets, but they will all be listed in the PDF that comes with this if you buy the kit from me. So you won't get stamped images, but you will get die cuts, and you will get the embellishments and the twine. So I'll go through everything that you get. So basically what you're going to get all pre-cut cardstock, 12 pieces of pre-cut cardstock in red, white and black, so one for each month. So this is January. You're going to get this scalloped rectangle, which is pre-printed for you. You're going to get the stars, which I'm going to cut for you. You'll get the embellishments, which are the pearls and the twine, because you're going to get a full pack of our Baker's Twine Essentials pack, and you're going to get a full pack of our basic pearl jewels, all included in the price. You're also going to get a full pack of the What a Year Memories and More card pack, which is what I've used for the matting layers on the background of all these base cards. You're going to get the easel from me, so you'll display your calendar each month on your desk or on your windowsill or wherever. So you're going to get your easel as well. Okay, so that's January, and you're going to get your calendar. Your calendar will be pre-printed for you. You just need to cut it out. It does have a black border around the calendar, and I would suggest cutting the black border off, and that way everything will fit nicely. So that's January. This one's February. Again, you'll have your calendar. You're going to have your scalloped rectangle. You're going to have the die cut hearts, which I'm going to do for you. You're going to have your pearls. The pink and white background card here is from your Memories and More pack, which is included. You will get a scrap of basic white cardstock. So if you want to stamp your own greeting, you'll have some cardstock to stamp your greeting. But if you don't want to put any greetings on, then don't, just leave them. March, again, all the elements except the stamping. So you'll get the rectangle. You'll just need to stamp it yourself if you want to stamp it, or if you've got a ScanNCut, cut some die cuts. The piece of white with the Happy Mother's Day is, again, you'll have a piece of white scrap, which you can use. Mother's Day is in March here in the UK. And this is for UK residents only, I'm afraid. I can't send this anywhere else in the world. April, you'll get all the elements as shown here. The same with May, you just won't get the stamped elements. June, again, I've used one of our kits. I think it's called Sailing Home. Now, these little metal embellishments, I don't have a whole ton of those. So the first so many to order the kit will get one of these included. If I get orders for kits that are more than the embellishment, then you won't have this embellishment. You'll just have to use something else. But again, you'll get the black base card, you'll get the Memories and More card, which you'll just need to cut down. And again, the PDF will tell you, you can see here, I've just missed cutting off the black line on this. But I was trying to get this prepared and out straight after Christmas, but you know what it's like with Christmas, and I've got an 18-week-old puppy in the house that's demanding my attention all the time. It's just so difficult to get things done. But if you cut the black border off your calendar and line it up with the bottom of your matting layer, it will sit centrally, and then you'll have enough room to put your scalloped rectangle on with a border all the way around. So that's June. July, again, this background is the Memories and More card. So all the base layers are going to be cut for you. Your matting layers are all from your Memories and More card pack. There'll be loads of elements left over for this, and I've not used any of the 3x4s. I've only used the 4x6s. And again, you'll get your matting layer, you'll get your pearls. I've used the stamp set Nothing's Better Than for this, but you can use whatever you want. August, again, calendar, you'll get the white base layer, you'll get the red matting layer, which is from the Memories and More pack. You'll have your twine already, you'll get your rectangle scallop, which will be die cut ready for you by me. You'll just need to add your stamping or any die cuts. September, again, October, November and December. Okay, so your full kit includes all of that, your pack of Memories and More, a full pack, obviously brand new, of our basic pearls, a full pack of our basic essentials twine, your easel, you'll get a piece of basic white scrap card if you want to do any of the stamping, and the first so many people that order will get one of the embellishments from the Sailing Home trinkets, which are no longer available. But these are not included in the price because, as I say, depending on how many people take up the offer for this kit, I probably may not have enough to give you all one. So the kit itself is going to be £36.50, which will need to be paid to me either via PayPal or bank transfer, but all the details will be in the invoice that I send you, and that also includes your postage and packing as well. So as I say, this should go live on Thursday the 30th of December and it will close on Monday the 3rd of January at midnight. You need to contact me via the contact page on my website here. In the subject heading, put calendar kit. Once I get your confirmation that you want to take part in the kit, I will send all the invoices out on the 4th of January, which is Tuesday, and they need to be paid the same day, either via PayPal or by bank transfer. Once I've got everybody's payments, I will then order all the components on Wednesday the 5th. And once I get them, I will cut everything, package everything and send it out to you in the post. So that's that. And then just one last little thing. I have been asked if I would do a paper share, which I've never really done in the past, but the 4th of January sees the launch of our new January to June mini catalogue. So there will be a paper share coming soon. The details will be announced probably about the second or third week in January. But the papers that are in this catalogue, there are 11 new designer series papers, which include speciality paper, vellum, shimmer card. There's some beautiful papers. I'm going to buy the whole 11 suites and divide it up into a paper share, but the details will follow on that. But you know, the paper is good from January through till June, so there isn't so much of a rush for that. So that's more likely to, you know, be shown at the end of January and payments and probably posted out end of January or early February. So that's it. Anyway, if you're interested, all the details will be sent out in a newsletter. So if you subscribe to my newsletter, all the information about the calendar kit will go out in a newsletter. It will also be on my blog, and obviously it's here on the YouTube video. So I hope you like the project. I think it'll be lovely to display on your desk, you know, and show 1 month at a time all the way through the year. You can add your own stamping if you want to. I will list any of the stamp sets that I have used, but things like this, the die cuts, I will cut for you. But anything that's stamped, you will either have to replace with die cuts yourself, if you've got a ScanNCut, or if you've got the stamp sets. But things like this will all be provided, and the hearts will be provided by me, and so will the Happy New Year, because this is pre-printed. I've designed this, and it will be pre-printed on your scallop like so. But anything that's stamped, you will have to do yourself. Anyway, I hope you like the project, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.